So we were looking for something that was really big and grand, that was dated, that needed a lot of work done to it. And I wanted it to have like a kind of an industrial edge to it, but also an elegance and a timeless feel to it. All throughout our house, we've got sort of industrial cues, like my hanging plant rails that I had made. It's actually quite nice when you mix brass and stainless steel together. And you'll notice in our bar as well, the light bulbs that we've gone for. This is the adult room. So you can see it's really dark and rich and luxurious. We've got beautiful traditional fire, and I love just coming in here, a glass of wine and reading a book and just chilling out. It is rare that I get to sit here because I'm so busy. Number one, it's a family home, but also I run my business from here called House Curious. So I invite people into my home to learn a craft and to share a meal together. That's the concept. Every room needs to flow. There needs to kind of be some sort of connection, either like a colour that complements that colour. There's always something that pulls you through and your eyes drawn through. Every part of this house is a reflection of my personality, my husband's personality. Be a bit bold and go out of your comfort zone. It's really easy to go after the same thing that you'd normally like, but if you go out of your comfort zone, you usually get something a little bit more unique and interesting.